the 7.3 has problems cranking in cold weather. Like say 50 degrees and below, it doesn't want to crank. So suspect the glow plug relay, which is right there, is the problem. Supposedly it's a common issue. The relay goes bad, it doesn't heat up the glow plug, so it won't crank in cold weather. Okay, now it's a meter underneath this cap. It's supposed to be hot all the time, and we have 12.6 volts. That's good. Okay, and now when we go to crank it, it's supposed to have voltage on this second large terminal. And what we do is have somebody crank it over. Okay, go ahead and turn it to weight. Whoa. Okay, it's nothing. But I felt the relay click physically. I mean, it's like something popped in there. But we're at weight to start right now, and there's no change of voltage, none whatsoever. So that's the suspect. We'll order the part replacement and we'll see how it goes. Okay, we're back to the relay for the glow plugs, and I got the 860. 861 is what is the official part number to replace, but the 860 difference is you have nuts, washers, and a little pigtail that you'll take off. And this was $44, and that one's $53, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, anyway, more parts and cheaper, so I'm going with this one. I'll swap it out. Not too many parts come with instructions. Interesting. Everything you need, believe it or not. Even turn off the, disconnect the battery, which is an obvious, and the size of the nuts. This is nice. It'll help get everything put together, all the parts together and tools together. Battery's disconnected, and contrary to the instructions, these are not 5/16. These are, I got working on it, it's 3/8. Also on a new one, 3/8. Right there. So, not 5/16. But anyway, 1/2 inch, 5/16. So, let's continue. Alright, the boot is cracked, stiff, fairly old. May have to be cut off. Okay, where am I at? I'm even looking at this. There it is. Yeah, looking kind of rough. Come on, you can do it. Dang. There. Okay. Getting there. Yes, I'm 6'3", but I needed a little assistance with the height on this. One of the ooh, the sun's killing me right now. Can you see it in there? Okay. One of the studs, you're gonna need a deep well socket to get on that sucker. Okay, bolted in, we're ready to connect them. Alright, the sun's cooperating now. So, here is the new relay. If I can see a little bit better here. Not too bad, everything's pretty straightforward. I like the fact that you got new nuts and new washers with the 60 model, the 860. Okay, now we're back. Let's see, we'll go from battery to one of the small pins. Looks like it's 0.13, 0.13, both of those. The hot one, we got 12.4, and if we go over to this one should be 0. Okay, good. Now, turn the key on, see what happens. Alright, keys on. We're going to go to the hot, well, it should be hot. Hey, 11.7. Yeah. Good. Now we can crank it with the glow plug relay working. And it's been probably 2 or 3 years. Not sure how long it's died, because in Florida, you generally don't see the symptoms on my truck, at least until, low 50s. Before it starts having issues cranking. Well, everything appears normal. No smoke, fires, any funky lights. I guess we're good.